I'm doing enough bike checks today because I'm really bored, and this is what my setup looks like now. So, yeah. So first off, I got Colt Vans grips in red. They're pretty good grips. They're soft, but one thing that sucks is that they wear down quite easily. With some Colt Barons, I got some Primo rebars, 10-inch drives, and I think they're 27 or 28 wide. I don't really know. BSD stack stem. Um, FSA headset with Primo 4s that I've had for a really long time now, so they're holding up strong still. I got a Primo N4FL front hub laced to a Primo SB rim, that's what it's called, with some plastic front hub guards that it came with. Colt D-Hart tire, 20 by 2.35. Peg, I think that's a Shadow Little Ones or a Fiend peg. The left side is a DK Bundy peg. Frame, 21-inch Cardinal frame. It's a really good frame. Bought it off my cousin. Some Animal BPE pedals, red. Colt crank, BSD stack 3D or BSD sprocket, 25 tooth, shadow interlock chain, Primo remix in the back, pretty good still. Primo rim, still good. Uh, Fiend pivotal seat post laced with the fit barstool pivotal seat. Um, stock bottom bracket, and yeah, this is what my bike looks like. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and subscribe.